Look at me. I know you want me.
Happy birthday, Tito Mike. I love you. God bless you. Ingat ka po palagi. Miss you. Tito Mike, I love you. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Tito Mike. God bless.
Para kay
Tito Mike.
Tito Mike. So, anong ibig sabihin ng mga drawing mo?
Ito po, happy birthday. Ito po yung cake. Tapos po ito ulit, happy birthday, Tito Mike.
Yan. So, papadala natin yan sa kanya.
Po. Tapos po ito, happy na birthday mo pa.
Asa?
Po yung bahay.
Bahay.
Kita Ethan.
Ah.
Riley Boy. Bossing the birthday.
Bossing the birthday. Angas.
Ito po yung cake po, dalawa. Tapos po, ito po si Tito Mike. Ito po si Riley.
May
Tita Ethan po.
may picture pa ni Riley Boy,
Tapos po, ito po si Tito Mike. Happy birthday,
Tito Mike. Tapos,
Tito Mike.
ano yung pangalan mo?
Apo, ito, Agliana.
Abriana. Hey!
Happy birthday po, Kuya Mike. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan. Love you.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Wish you good health, saka long life. At
Birthday Kuya Mike, mag-ingat ka po palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Love you. Miss you. Ingat kayo lang palagi. Miss you namin.
Hello Kuya, happy birthday. Thank you very much kasi alam mo namang ang gwapo ko. Yun lang. Tsaka ang gwapo ko palagi. Happy birthday. I love you.
Mike, happy birthday. Stay healthy and blessed. Love you. Yeah.
Hello Mike, happy birthday. Wish ko health mo ay mas maging okay. Wish ko na mas maging blessed ka pa kayo ng family mo ni Eden and Riley and more clients to come. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga goals and bucket list nyo ng family mo. Andito lang kami palagi. We love you. Happy birthday! Yay!
happy birthday, Nak. May you have more birthdays, more love, more joy, more happiness to come. Ang aking palagi ring dasal ay magkaroon ka ng joyful, blissful life with your family. Thank you for taking good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for loving your family, loving yourself, and loving the family of Eden, loving us, your family here sa Olonga po. Maraming salamat. At palagi natin paalala ko lang, alam mo naman to na always be grateful. Maski sa pagdadasal, mas magandang grateful ang focus kaysa sa petition. Promise, it really works at proven. Yan. So, maraming salamat din sa iyong pagmamahal sa akin. Sa iyong pagrespeto, pagmamahal, paglalambing. Maraming salamat. At ayun, bless your heart, Nak. I love you. Happy birthday.
This is magic. Abracadabra.
Is this too good to be true? Nope, only true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Yan na. Mahabang kanta yan. Love
Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. I love you. See you soon. I love you, Riley. Love you, Eden. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday to you. We love you. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa.